guys, it's Kate here. Welcome back to another video. And today, we'll just be continuing on once again from, not Minecraft, not from Minecraft. We're going to be continuing on from this Happy Wheels. Let's do another Happy Wheels video. Oh, let's go. I was planning on doing the useless web today. Let's do Happy Wheels. Happy Wheels. Here we are. Okay. So right now, got Happy Wheels open. KDK08. That's pretty good. Yes, Happy Wheels. Okay, guys. Okay. So as you guys can see, today we'll be playing Happy Wheels. Okay. So today we're going to continue on playing. We're making our level. In the last video, I never actually ended up completing the level. So let's click test. I can actually. Look, ready? Watch this, guys. I could have just done this like the whole time. Woo! I got it! See, guys, I completed it. And that's how you do it, son. But my stats are up here for you guys. So I'll move up. For today, I'm gonna be down here in the corner. Instead of being up here with all the stats. It's kind of annoying. Okay. So we need to go T. We're probably going to... That's how you delete stuff. All of these. Delete this thing. And to activate it. So after this, it's a troll level. It just keeps it going on. Oh, now my face cam's in the way. Down here is a good face cam. It's a good spot for a face cam. Hey, that was a troll finish line. Then we're going to grab a hazards. We're going to go harpoon, 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 harpoon. So many harpoon guns. But these aren't actually going to be activated. So this is going to be the easiest trolling level there is. It's the limit of objects. No. You have reached the shape limit. Delete some objects. Nope. I'm just gonna keep adding harpoon guns. Okay. Alrighty. Let's play our level. I was going to let's just delete just like a few of them. Delete. So I'm just going to quickly delete all of these. Not all of them. There we go, that's easier. So, now that that's done, T, just press T if I tab. Okay guys, Happy Wheels, it ain't working for some reason. It was the tiniest Happy Wheels video ever. Happy Wheels, you've let me down. So, instead of that, let's do an oldie but a goodie, the useless web. Let's go! What's the first one that we've got today? Loading. Boring. Okay, one more useless website! Whoa. You can change, what if you, whoa. Save image. This is gonna, guys, you see this? You see this, right? It looks so cool in that color, and that color, and that color, and that color, and that color. It looks so cool. But, do you know what would look even cooler? This would look even cooler. This would look even cooler. I tried to make that photo my background, but okay then. Set as background. Look how cool that is. That is my background. Yep, that's it. Forever. Forever. I love this. Okay, what do you got for us next, Mr. Website? Leak spin. That's strange. Okay, nice. It's awesome. Zombo.com. Wait a second, guys. Just a second, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait. Just a second, guys. That was weird. But this is just Pixels fighting. Stupid. This is just starting to turn into world's stupidest websites. Jeez. Let's inspect. Let's go from expecting. Where is it? Here it is. Edit as HTML. No. I mean, it's gone. Yay, I deleted the snowman off it. Ha ha. I deleted the snowman. I deleted the snowman. Okay. Let's go one more time. The end of reason? Whoa. That's cool. Okay, we got time for about 5 more used websites. 1 million lols. Is this going to be a whole page full of lols? LOLs. Let's see if this is an actual website. 1 million lols. 1 million lols. 1 million lols. Let's see if it's in images. So this is what the page is. It's just LOL. Whoa. This one's like even too small. This is even that. It just says LOLOLS. It's just stupid. Corgi Orgi. Where's the giant corgi? That's weird, yeah. Let's go. Okay, nice show. Okay, guys. I'm sorry to say, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button, pretty please. And as always, stay Gucci. I'll see you guys.